Qingdao Lonjan Machinery Company Limited was established in 2014, is a professional woodworking machinery manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of edge banding machine, sliding table saw, CNC router, sanding machine, and cold press, etc. We are located in Qingdao, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including all kinds of lathe, drilling machine, milling center, die cutting machine, welding machine, CNC milling machine, etc. In addition, all of our products exported have obtained CE certificates and selling well in all cities and provinces around China. And now we export our products to clients in such countries and regions as Argentina, Australia, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Canada, India, Russia, Iran, Turkey, Turkmenistan, United Kingdom, USA, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. For further and good cooperation between us, you are warmly welcome to our factory for a visiting. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with clients from the world in the near future.